guys, this one is the yung loya na check ko guys. So, ang gagawin natin ito guys, lulutuin natin siya. And then, you will watch what is the next. This is the oil that finish cook. Yan guys. The coconut oil with the loya. Guys, this is the one we will now, it's already cold, so we will put in our scalp. We start to put in our scalp area guys, on this our coconut oil with the ang bango ng loya guys. Ang bango niya, ang bango talaga niya guys. Diba? This is the one guys. It's my first day. Ayan, my first time to make with this coconut and loya together po. Ipakulo nyo siya. Ayan. So, ibabawat po natin to siya ng 30 minutes. So, ganito guys. Kung wala kayong wala kayong pang sa buhok nyo ng yun, pang steam or plastic na pang yun sa yung pang shower plastic nyo. Pag wala kayo, ang gagawin nyo ay mag-ano lang kayo nitong plastic, any plastic po, basta maka-steam lang sa hair natin, no? And then, bawat po natin siya ng 30 minutes, guys. Ayan. So, pasok natin siya dito sa ilalim para po siya ay mag-absorb. And then, we will leave for 30 minutes. Ayan, guys. I need to put in the clamp. Para hindi po siya makawala. Ayan. Love. Gusto ba nyong makaiwas na mag-hair fall ang hair nyo? So, gagawin po nyo ang aking ginawa para sa ating hair.